Hello viewers, welcome to the Pyresearch channel. In this video, we will discussing about the operating system installation, Raspberry Pi. So first of all, you can see the going to the officially website Raspberry Pi OS. So download from Mac version, Windows version, and Ubuntu version. We will download from the here Mac version only. You first of all download here. I have already downloaded. Then you can see that I am already downloaded, but I am downloading again. So it's so open that you see the here, and this should be copy and paste here. I have already, so I am open it. Already install my Raspberry Pi. So you can show the this type of you do not want to me again open. Okay, so it will be open. So you can see the interface of the this file, and you can see also the mention file, the SD card. So choose the SD. Here you can see the a lot of Raspbian version 32-bit and 64-bit. 32-bit is stable and more than just like no desktop version. You can see the recommended version, recommended application release. Okay, here this is the Raspbian no desktop environment. Okay, light, and you can see the 64-bit and 64-bit, and we are going to the recommended version of the here desktop. So choose the storage. After choose the storage, you can see the setting file. You mention here your password, etc, and all dependency. Here the my internet username. So showing the password. I currently time. Okay, time zone. Where we look at it and check the media. I'm here. Okay, so write the image. So put here your password. So you can see the write the image, and it's taking within 5 to 10 minutes to write it. So write the image. After write the image, we are going to the here you can see the Raspbian. Write the image, and we are going to the officially website, download Raspberry Pi. So you can also download it manually. Yeah, desktop version. So here the technical documentation. You also read out the technical documentation. So we are going to the Raspberry Pi computer vision and multiple algorithms. At the computer operating system introduction, updating and upgrading operating system, and here the officially website from Windows. So update command, fully upgrade command. So it's taking time. Okay,
so you guys, you can see the how to verify that I install the card operating system 32-bit. So in this section, so I hope you like it. Please support our channel for more cutting information updates. We are updating, releasing soon Raspberry Pi videos, and all will be done.